Too low to the mall. With a couple capos and 100 fucking dimes. Color slaughter gang, you get your shit popped. Draco with a drum, if your chain never go stop. Be on that night boy shit.
What's up, Spiffy family? What's up, guys? And we with your boy Pop, and
it's your girl Amy, and then the big head over there, Naya.
Yeah, then we got Naya over there. But currently, right now, so we haven't informed y'all, but our I was on the way to work and this happened to the car. So the tow truck people about to come get the car, the insurance people about to come get the car, and we have to unfortunately let it go. So we're about to go ahead on, and if you're wondering what I got this blanket for, is to put it down so we can go ahead on and get everything out the car. And yeah. So, but yeah, man. Unfortunately, they towed her out the car, so we're gonna have to start off with ground zero.
Beating her up.
Get another vehicle.
Okay, thank you. So, guys, today in the morning we saw like it was snow on not a Kia, on what is it?
The roof.
But there was some snow on the roof, but it's gone now. And then we saw some on top of the cars, but they were all right. I thought it was finna snow because there was like snow on the roof and stuff, and it looks literally like snow. But people kept ice. They said it was ice. My grandma said it, and them said it was ice, but I think it was snow. But yeah,
I'm just gonna walk my pet. Hey,
we got some freaking parts from the car.
My pet.
We had to grab some just for souvenirs.
Yeah.
I'm gonna go walk my pet though. Bye, everybody.
All right, but let's go ahead on and start. So, guys, we're about to go ahead on and get to it and start unpacking the car. So, I'm about to sit y'all down. That way, y'all can watch us. No, bro, you don't need to hold it. Yeah. So she's leaving. She's leaving.
Okay, I can't take after it now.
Bro, why you gotta be dramatic, bro?
I'm not being dramatic, though.
All right, but yeah, man, she's leaving. We're about to go on and get ready to head inside after she gets loaded all the way up.
I thought this was gonna be a surprise.
All right, guys. So my phone connected to the CarPlay in the car. I think because he still has it on, but we're just standing right here waiting for the car to get loaded all the way up, along with the bag that we're gonna haul upstairs. And yeah, man, this is the first time thing. This ain't never happened to me before. Has it happened to you before?
Nope, never in my life.
Yeah, so this is our first time seeing some stuff like this, or some things happening to us like this. You know.
My only first time I seen the car do that is mine, because I think we sold it to Mexico because we didn't need it anymore and we were little.
But yeah, me personally, I never hit a freaking deer. I never been in anything like this, so it's kind of freaking crazy to me to have let something go like this, you know. So yeah, man, we're gonna go on and watch them. We're gonna watch them. Holy shit! I mean, holy crap, that was cool. But yeah, man, we're gonna go on and watch them load the whole car up, go on and bolt it down and stuff like that. And yeah, man, what do you think about that?
Sad.
Yeah, bro, it's sad, bro. It's sad, bro. But it's gonna be alright, bro.
Maybe we could do TikTok with YouTube.
Yeah, we're gonna
make fun activities with y'all because sad car. Well,
has to go.
My sad car has to go.
Yeah.
Now we've been using
yeah, man. You see him over there, man?
We've been using to go to school sometimes. I'll get embarrassed from using it because of the car.
We're gonna see
us hitting the gear. So.
Yeah, bro. Yeah, man. We're gonna go on and watch him. We're gonna go on and watch him.
Take our car away.
Yeah.
It's okay.
We're gonna watch him load it up there and strap it down, right?
Yep, and then leave with that. Right, but hopefully it's good, and it gets fixed.
Yeah.
And maybe we can.
The car's go.
If it gets fixed.
No, bro, we get a new car.
No!
Bruh. So we
So
gotta
guys,
get a new car.
we can't get it back. Hopefully, we
Bro,
can't
it's
get it back.
total. Whenever it's total,
We can't get it back.
that means it's broken. There's nothing that you can do with it. If I'm correct, guys, right?
No.
Hey man, I sure appreciate you, bro. Yes, sir. What's that? Yeah, I was on the way to work. One morning coming through like Rosenberg, and it was
But
like,
yeah, guys, I'm sad because this car we've been loving since we got it is gone.
but it wasn't even really that big. It was like
But
years. But it's crazy.
there's no more Kias anymore because
Yeah,
the
that's what
Kia
I'm saying,
place,
man.
the Kia place we got it from,
Yeah, man, appreciate you, bro.
the Kia place we got the car from is closed down. They closed, so now it's not here. But yeah, we can't technically get a new Kia. We're gonna have to get a new car, and I'm sad.
All right, so we're about to go down and pack this heavy bag up there.
Yep. Getting grip tonight. Yeah, guys, we gotta go to the doctor. But you said that it's not we're gonna. Yeah, guys.
I guess this is gonna be the new cameraman.
Yeah.
What do y'all think, bro?
Yeah. Do y'all think I should be the new cameraman?
Yeah.
Guys, and now I can say camera. Literally, I'm happy. You're like Santa Claus. Santa Claus.
Ooh.
Santa Claus. And guys, he's very strong. My stepdad is very strong, so y'all know he's like Santa Claus.
All right, bro. Let me see. All right, so we're just gonna say our goodbyes. Go ahead on the Wave Bye tour. And yeah, man. I guess we'll catch y'all once we get in the house. Get this big old bag inside.
We're gonna miss her.
Yeah.
Why are you
All right,
just
man.
looking at it like that? Okay.
Cause I'm sad.
I know. All right, let's watch it. Okay, I'm gonna hold. You want me to hold it while you're packing it up?
Hold on.
Okay. Okay, guys, we're back.
So you move up and down.
Oh yeah. Okay, guys, we're back.
All right, yeah, man, we're back.
The Kia just went gone.
Yeah, as y'all can see, the truck is not here anymore. It's gone.
Yeah.
Just gonna have to freaking get over it.
Yeah.
Materialistic
some
things,
water?
you know.
Huh? Would you like some water? No. Because I
Bro,
see
what
it
we
on
need
your
some
shirt.
water for?
I see it on your shirt. Bum, guys. Naya, leave it alone. Leave it alone.
All right, so we're about to take this stuff up.
Yeah. Okay. Do you want water or not? No. Just don't tell me. Yes. Don't tell me you got it from the pool.
Ooh.
Nasty.
Oh, yeah, man. So
You know what? You could have went before someone.
made a delicious confetti cake yesterday. See the confetti inside. This is pink confetti. And there was some soup. My girl made some soup yesterday for the cold or whatever. So, but yeah, man. We're about to go ahead on and end the video, right?
Yeah, right here. And when we talk, right?
Hmm? Yeah.
Okay, yeah, when we are at the doctor's thing.
So yeah, guys. We'll catch y'all later.
At the doctor's.
All right, Spiffy gang.
Yeah, we'll see you at the doctor's.
So, bye. What's good, Spiffy family? It's your boy Pop.
And it's your girl, Avy.
And we are back with another video, man. Unfortunately, man, the car is about to get taken away. We were already vlogging like at first, but I mean,
it wasn't like videoing, so that was kind of sad because I didn't know either.
Yeah, I mean, we actually like video, but as y'all can see right there, they keep on saying low battery. That's why. My fault, guys. It was low battery, I was saying. But as y'all can see, guys, right there, We got the stuff that we took out of the car.
It's
And
it was in the blanket because we can't like pick it up because y'all know we're in a little small group.
but yeah, man, so as I was saying, we unloaded everything out of the car, and then we're gonna go ahead on and send the car back. Sadly, we gotta let her go. She got us a lot of places, right? Up and down the highway.
She has us go to Houston every time we went and stuff.
Yeah, but so like yeah, so
she took us everywhere.
We're gonna go ahead on and start over, ground zero. Go ahead on and get a new vehicle, better journey. Not too mad about it because everything happened for a reason. That's materialistic stuff. So, I mean, you can't be too mad about anything that's really materialistic because stuff come and go. You know, money come and go, cars come and go. You know, materialistic. So, yeah, man. But yeah, man. So we're just gonna sit here and watch her go up.
Yeah.
And we're gonna load her, take her away, and stuff like that.
Yeah, but she took us everywhere, literally everywhere.
Yeah,
She
man.
She let us know where we were going. We get to talk on her. We get to hook up our phone to her and stuff. And we went everywhere. She took us everywhere where we needed to go.
And now she's leaving. And loading her up, and yeah, she's about to go. Right?
Yeah.
Sadly, bro, she's not a fake cry, bro. She's not even crying, bro.
No.
But yeah. Hopefully, we be able to come up on something better and stuff like that.
Maybe we could get a new Kia, but like a different one. I'm probably gonna get it.
Yeah. Probably so.
We could get a new Kia, but probably a different car.
Bro, we don't want no freaking new Kia, bro. What's wrong with her?
No.
That Kia was alright, but well, we still got the old baby right here.
The Maui Maui. Okay.
Bruh. I think he's having complications with the hood.
Oh my god.
And getting it up there, so
guys, y'all have to let us know if it's snowing over there where y'all
I'll just check
at.
it out real quick. And, yeah.